Okay, welcome back. Number 3 tayo. Okay, what is the area bounded by the curve y squared equals 4x and x squared equals 4y? Okay, so solution. So we have y squared equals 4x and x squared equals 4y. Solve for y. Y is equal to x squared over 4. Then substitute dito, no? So y is equal to x squared over 4 raised to 2. Okay? Equals 4x. So we have here x raised to 4 over 16 equals 4x. Cancel yung isang x. We have x cubed. 16 times 4 is 64. So x is equal to 4. So when x is 4, so y squared is equal to 4 by 4. Dito, kinuha natin, no? So we have y squared equals 16 or y is equal to plus or minus 4. Okay, yan. Now, pwede na nating i-graph ito, no? Yung two parabolas natin. Okay, drawing tayo dito. So here, the y-axis and the x there. Then, drawing tayo ng parabola. No? Okay. So, yung isang parabola is, which one? So, x squared equals 4y, no? So, opens positive y or upward. So, ito yon. So, this is x squared equals 4y. Opens upward or opens positive x or positive y. And this one naman, opens positive x. Ito yung y squared equals 4x. Vertex is at 0, 0, no? Pareho sila. Vertex is at 0, 0. Okay. When x is 4, ito, may intersection dito, no? When x is 4, y is 4. Ito yon. So, 4 and 4. Okay? So, masasolve natin itong area bounded by these two parabolas by kuha tayo ng differential area, no? So, gamit ako ng vertical strip. So, ang pinapahanap kasi sa atin is the area bounded by these two, no? Two parabolas. So, ito yon. So, ang gagawin natin dito sa vertical strip na to is maglalakad siya from 0 to 4. So, may thickness to, no? dx. Okay? So, para makuha natin yung area is equal to, area is equal to the integral of y upper minus y lower times the dx. Okay? So, yung y dito, y upper is this one, no? Yung y squared equals 4x or y is equal to square root of 4x. So, yung y lower naman is x squared equals 4y or y is equal to x squared over 4. So, meron tayong y upper, meron tayong y lower, so meron na tayong length ng ating strip. Okay? So, we have the square root of 4x minus x squared over 4. Okay? So, multiply lang natin to sa thickness na dx. Meron na tayong area and the limit natin is from 0 to 4. No? 0 to 4. Yan. So, masasolve na natin yung area. Okay? So, this is equal to 0 to 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Okay, 2x raised to 1/2 minus x squared over 4. Okay, so dx. Okay, let's integrate. So we have here, 2 times x. Okay, 2 times x, 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. Okay, over 3/2. Minus this one, x cubed. Okay, so 4 times 3, we have 12. Then limits from 0 to 4. Okay, so ayan, evaluate natin yan. Limit 0 to 4. But first, kailangan muna natin itong isimplify. So we have 4 over 3 times x raised to 3/2 minus x cubed over 12. Limits 0 to 4. Okay. So sa 0, sa lower limit, 0 na yan. No? 0 minus 0 is 0. So ang may value lang dito is the upper limit. Okay, so we have 4 over 3 times 4 raised to 3/2 minus 4 raised to 3 over 12. Minus 0 na, no? Lower limit. Okay. So now, what is 4 raised to 3 over 2? Yan. So we have 32. Yeah, 32, no? So 32 times 4 and over 3. So we have area is equal to, yes, no? So 32 na, no? So 32 times 4 na yan. Yes, correct. Over 3 minus 4 times 4 times 4 is 64 over 12. So this is divisible by 4. So we have 32 over 3 minus 16 over 3. Or we have, 32 minus 16 is 16. 16 over 3 square units. So this is the final answer. Okay? Yes, madali lang, no? Okay, number 4. Find the area bounded by the curve 5y squared equals 16x and y squared equals 8x minus 24. Okay. So solution, 5y squared equals 16x. Solve the two equations simultaneously. So we have y squared equals 8x minus 24. So 5, substitute natin yung y squared, and y squared is 8x minus 24. So 8x minus 24 equals 16x. So 5 times 8, we have 40x minus 120 equals 16x. 40x minus 16x is 24x. Transpose, positive 120. So we have x equals 5. Okay? When x is 5, so 5y squared equals 16 by 5. Cancel. So we have y squared equals 16, or y is equal to plus or minus 4. Okay? Now, this parabola here is, okay, the parabola, the vertex is at 0, 0, and it opens positive x. This one, ito, parabola to, is, the vertex is at y squared is equal to 8 times x minus 3. So the vertex is at 3 and 0 and opens positive x. Okay? So, drawing natin siya. Yung ating parabola. Dalawang parabolas, no? So, ito yung ating parabola na ang vertex is at 0, 0. There. And the other one naman, the vertex is at 3, 0. So, dito banda, no? Okay, so mukha siyang circle, but assuming, ganyan lang. Yan. Okay. So, ang sabi natin, ito yung parabola na to. This parabola is, ito yung 5y squared equals 16x. And this one is y squared equals 8x minus 24. Okay? Now, ito yung 0, 0 na vertex. The other one, ito naman yung 3 and 0. At ang sabi rin natin, when x is 5, y is 4. Yung isa naman, 5, and negative 4. Okay? So to solve this, to solve the area of the area bounded by these two parabolas, we need a differential area. Kulang tayo ng horizontal strip. Kung vertical strip, hindi pwede, no? Hindi pwede tayo makakuha ng area dyan. Mahihirapan tayo dyan. So, isa lang pwede dyan, horizontal strip. So, kapag horizontal strip, kailangan natin ng length na to. Right? So, ang kailangan natin dito is ano yung equation ng x dito and ano yung equation ng x dito sa kabila. So, x right minus x left. Yun na yung length. Multiply by the thickness, dy. So, yung meron na tayong differential area and ang kailangan na lang natin ay limits. Okay? So, therefore, okay, itong x na to, ito yung parabola na yan, dito galing, no? So, let's solve for x. So, x is y squared plus 24 over 8. Dito naman, yung x is dito galing sa 5y squared equals 16x. So, we have 5y squared over 16. Okay, now, makukuha na natin ngayon ang area, no? So, area is the integral of x right. Okay, x right. So, we have y squared plus 24 over 8 minus x left 5y squared over 16 times the thickness dy. And ano ang limits? Now, pwede tayong kumuha dito, no? Kunin lang natin half. From 0, okay, from 0 to 4. 0 to 4. So, doon natin siya kukunin. No? 0 to 4. Half lang yan. So, multiply by 2 para makuha natin yung buong area. Okay? Yan. Okay. So, we have here, so area is equal to 2. Okay, simplify lang muna natin to. So, over 16, so we have 2y squared plus 48 minus 5y squared times dy. And this is equal to the integral of 2 over 16, 1 over 8. No? 1 over 8. Then we have minus 3y squared plus 48 limits from 0 to positive 4. Siyempre, don't forget the dy. Okay, now, the area is equal to 1 over 8. Okay, integrate. So we have minus 3y cubed over 3 plus 48y. Limits 0 to 4. Yes. So this is now equal to 1 over 8. Cancel na to, no? So times minus, okay, 4 raised to 3 plus 48 times 4. There. Okay. So we have here equals 1 over 8 times minus 64. And this one is how much? 192, no? 192. Okay, so area now is equal to 192 minus 64 is 128 over 8. Divide 128 over 8. So we have, okay, so 48. So 16. Okay, 16. Yan, 16 yan. 16 is square units. So this is the final answer. Yeah, madali lang, no? Okay, number 5. Find the area bounded by line y equals 3x and y equals x squared, parabola, no? So, line and parabola. Okay, solution. So, if you're going to solve these two equations simultaneously, so we have y equals 3x and y equals x squared. So, substitute natin yung y, which is 3x equals x squared. So, therefore, x is equal to 3. Now, when x is 3, okay, when x is 3, y is, okay, when x is 3, so when x is erase ko lang to. So when x is 3, what is y? So y is equal to 3 by 3, which is 9. Okay? And we know that this parabola opens positive y, no? Upward. Opens positive y, and the vertex is at 0, 0. Okay? Now, if x is 0 naman dito, y is 0. So we can say that the intersection is at 0.00 and 39. Okay. So, yan. So, drawing natin yung ating line and the parabola. Uy, sakto, no? There you go. Okay. So, hindi ko na ilagay yung x-axis. But let's assume that this point is at 0.00 and this one is 39. Okay? So, pwede mo itong isolve using the horizontal strip or the vertical strip. So, let's try the vertical strip. This line here is y equals 3x. Meron ka ng y upper. And this parabola here is y equals x squared. Meron ka ng y lower. Correct? Yes. Now, to solve for the area, that is equal to the integral of y upper, which is 3x, minus y lower, which is x squared. Okay? Then, multiply by dx, yung thickness, no? Then, limits natin 0 to 3. 0 to 3. So, the area now is equal to, integrate, so we have 3x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3, limits 0 to 3. So, the area is equal to, okay, upper limit, 3 times 3 squared over 2 minus 3 cubed over 3. Lower limit, 0. Okay. So, the area is, so we have area equals 9 times 3, 27 over 2. 27 over 3 is, ilan na? 9, no? Minus 9. So, this is equal to, so 2, so we have 27 minus 18, or area is equal to 9 over 2 square units. Okay? Now, pwede mo rin itong isolve using horizontal strip. Mas madali lang kasi itong vertical strip since given na yung mga y upper and y lower. Pero sige, let's try din, no? Yung ating using the horizontal strip. Sige, let's solve this. Okay? So, assuming ganyan yan, no? Again, hindi ko na drawing yung axis na y and x. So, assuming that this point here is 0, 0, and this here is 3 and 9. So, ang gagawin lang natin is, gagamitan natin siya ng horizontal strip. So, we need x right and x left. So, this parabola is y equals x squared. So, ano yung x dito? X dito is square root of y. Okay? Then, the line here, y equals 3x, y equals 3x, ang x dito will be y over 3. Diba? Solve for x, y over 3. Yes. So, meron ka ng x right and x left. And the thickness is dy. Okay? So, the area is equal to the integral of x right. So, y or square root of y or y raised to 1/2 minus y over 3 times the thickness dy. Okay? Limits, tingin tayo doon sa y. 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Okay? So, this is equal now to, so we have integrate y raised to 3/2 over 3/2 minus y squared over, so 3 times 2 is 6. Limits 0 to 9. Then, the area is equal to, write lang natin, so 2/3. Okay, 2/3 times y raised to 3/2 minus y squared over 6. Limits 0 to 9. Okay, upper limit lang may value, yung lower limit, 0. Okay, so we have here, area is 2/3 2/3 times 9, okay, raised to 3 halves, minus 9 squared over 6. So the area is equal to the square root of 9 cubed. No? The square root of 9 cubed. So 9 square root of 9 square is 9. Then square root of 9 is 3. So 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 2 is 54. 54 over 3. Okay? Minus, this one is 9 squared, 81. Yeah, 81 over 6. Okay, sige. So 6, so 2, we have 108 minus 81. 81, 108 minus 81 is, so ilan yon? So we have 27, no? 27 over 6 divided by 3. So we have 9 over 2 square units. Same answer, no? Same answer. Number 6, find the area between y squared equals x and y squared equals 2 minus x. Okay? For the solution, solve these two equations ulit simultaneously. So we have, so sulat lang muna natin, y squared equals x and y squared equals 2 minus x. So y squared, so x equals 2 minus x. Right? Then we have 2x equals 2 or x equals 1. When x is 1, what is y? Okay, lagay natin. When x is 1, y squared equals 1. So y is equal to plus or minus 1. Yes, plus or minus 1. Square root of 1 plus or minus 1. Okay, so we can say that the curve will intersect at points 1, 1 and 1, negative 1. Now, this parabola opens positive x. How about this one? Sige, lagyan na rin natin dito. Vertex is at 0, 0. And the other one, anong vertex nito? So y squared, so here, lagyan natin, y squared equals 2 minus x. So y squared is equal to, labas natin yung negative. So negative. Then we have negative to, no? So this is x. And ito ay magiging negative. So minus 2. So the vertex is at 2 and 0. But this parabola opens negative x. Papunta sa kabila. This one kasi positive x. Okay, so the area between y squared equals x and y squared equals 2 minus x. So sige, drawing ulit tayo. So lagay natin yung x and y here, y-axis, and the there. Okay? So, yung unang parabola opens positive x. Okay? Okay? There. Then, the other one opens negative x. And the vertex is at 0, 0. Kunyari ito, no? Yan. So, ang vertex nito is at 2, 0. Okay? Yung isa naman, 0, 0. So, what is the area between these two parabola? Yan, yung enclosed na yan. Ano daw yan? Now, hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng vertical strip. So, ang kailangan lang natin ay horizontal strip. Horizontal strip lang. Okay? Yes? So, ano magiging limits natin? So, pag dito kasi, kunin lang natin yung limit, o yung half lang muna, no? So, ang limits natin from 0 to 2, then multiply na lang by Ang intersection natin dito, this is 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 1, and the other one is 1, negative 1. There. So, ang magiging limits natin, since dy yan, tingin tayo sa y. So, negative 1 to 1. Pero ang gawin natin, ganito, no? Sige, straight natin. So, pakita natin. So, kailangan natin dito, of course, this is dy. So, the area, so, ang kailangan natin is x right and x left, no? So, ano yung x dito? That is, yung parabola ba to? This is y squared equals 2 minus x. So, x will be, the x here is, x is equal to 2 minus y squared. Okay? Then, yung isa naman, the parabola here is y squared equals x. So, okay lang, no? So, x equals y squared, yung ating x left. Okay? Then, the thickness is dy. So, ang limits natin, dun tayo sa y titingin. Okay? So, ganito, no? The area is equal to the integral of x right. So, 2 minus y squared, then minus x left, which is y squared. So, y squared. There. Times the thickness, yeah, dy. Okay? dy. Anong limits? Ang limits natin is negative 1 to 1. Or, negative 1 to 1. Or, pwede rin siya, since symmetrical naman yan, no? So, we can say that this is 2 times the integral of 0 to 1. Mas madali itong integrate. So, 2 minus y squared dy. Okay? So, nasundan? Yes? So, binago natin yung limits, no? So, now, the area is equal to, so, ilan to? 2 times the integral of 0 to 1 times 2 minus 2y squared dy. And it is equal to 2 times 2y, okay, minus 2y cubed over 3. Limits 0 to 1 equals, so ilan na to? So 2 times 1, okay? Minus 2 times 1 cubed over 3. There. Lower limit, 0. Wala na ring value, no? 0. So we have 2 times 2 minus 2/3. Okay? Then, ilan na to? The area is equal to 4 minus 4 over 3. Or, ilan to? Yeah, 3. So we have 12 minus 4 or 8 over 3 is square units. So, ayan. So, madali lang, no?